Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Ryan Gosling and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautiful crispy McDonald's type apple pies. So let's get straight into it. So I used 2 Bramley apples. You can use Granny Smith apples as long as the apples give quite a tart flavour for the apple pie. That's my preference anyway. So go ahead and peel, cut and core the apples and place them in some water so they don't go brown. So I'm going to go ahead and season the apples with 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg flavour is quite strong, so if you want to add a little bit and add more as you go along. Also 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I really like cinnamon flavour, so I put a whole teaspoon in. Also add 1 tablespoon of water and approximately 25 grams of butter into the mixture as well. After about 5 minutes on the heat, I removed the lemons. I gave it a taste. Add anything you need to add. If you need to mellow out the flavours, add a little bit more butter and just make sure the apples are nice and soft and cooked all the way through after you have adjusted your taste. After a further 5 minutes, when the apples are cooked, I added a corn flour and water mix to thicken the gravy and give it like a jam-like consistency. So stir that in well, wait for it to thicken up, then leave it to the side to cool. So now it's time to prep our pastry. This was frozen pastry which I left in the fridge and then cut up into 6 slices. So now it's time to fill the pastry with the apple filling. I tried my best to avoid getting it on the edges, but it was quite hard to film and show you guys me filling them without doing so. But try your best to do what I can do. all filled up, I'm going to enclose the apple filling into the pastry by folding them over and going around the edges, just lightly tapping them. And when they're all closed, well, the outer edge is closed, I'm just going to go around each edge with a fork to give it a nice frill and to just make sure that they are closed so they don't burst whilst we fry them. Now the oil is heated up, I'm just going to fry them until golden brown. Upon reflection, I wish I did deep fry them. They would have came out way more puffy, way more crispier, and probably way less oily as well. So if you do have a deep fat fryer, or you have a bigger pan, deeper pan, sorry, with more oil, make sure you do that. But this is my first attempt at making these McDonald's style apple pies, so learn from my mistakes, guys. So this is how they turned out. They were absolutely beautiful. They looked beautiful, smelled beautiful, and tasted superb. As I said, I would deep fry them so they're a bit less oily. But make sure you guys look in the description box below for the full recipe. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you tried the recipe. Tag me if you tried the recipe. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I'm very, very honored, very, very grateful that you've taken the time to watch this video. And I will be sure to see you soon in my new videos. So thank you guys. Stay blessed, stay wonderful. Peace out.